Hey guys, Charles Marotti here. Just want to share something with you guys. Brand new from KilowattRC are 1/5 scale foams. Just got this package in the other day. I thought I would go ahead and share with you guys. So kind of just show you what you can expect when you order a set of foams from KilowattRC. These are the new and improved ones. Right out of the gate, got a nice selection of a ton of stickers so you can properly represent. Looks good. Very high quality bags, by the way. And each set will come with its set of bags for storage. I love this idea. So Jason sent me, because I ordered 2 sets of 4, so he sent me 2 different sets of bags. This is the larger 2-piece bag. It's pretty big. See that? I like it. It's perfect for storing these in the off season, so that way you're not just keeping them in a box. Plus they do have the hole in there so you can put them on the hanger if you have a spot to hang them. Then they also have the single bag, and I kind of like these better because you can store each wheel individually. I think that's perfect. I love that you can write something on there, and they do have the hole so that you can hang them up. Very cool. Thanks for that, Jason. Definitely going above and beyond with this. You know, on that note, I think Jason is hopefully starting a trend here with sellers putting a little bit more effort into the packaging, man, because it's really annoying when, you know, stuff comes in all kind of halfway falling apart. This is professionally done, so kudos to you, man. That's really good. All right, so 2 sets. I'm just gonna open this one set right here. I started 2 and then decided I would just go ahead and do it all at once. You got cardboard on the top and on the bottom, bubble wrap around, and each pair is individually wrapped. Oh man, check that out. That's the way a foam should look. Take special note to the grain. See how it's cut all the way across? It's going this way, and it's all one piece. This is different. This is much different, and plus the rim feels a lot more sturdy. Compare that to, say, these guys. These are made in strips, and not sure if you can really appreciate this, but right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 strips that are glued together, and those have a tendency to split. Plus it feels quite a bit softer and wears down a lot easier and unevenly. These are much more durable. These are new and improved. They are on the same rim. These feel much more durable. You'll know what I'm talking about when you get yours. Like, these kind of want to bend a little bit. They're flexing. Nothing on this. This is stiff. This is perfect for 5th scale. Top of that, got a Durometer. Let's go ahead and measure. What does that read out? What is that? There it goes. Set that. Tighten that down. There we go. 40. 40. 40. At the very least, 40 across the board. Compare that to these guys. A little bit less. I would say that these are closer to 35. There's a couple of spots on here that are 40, but for the most part, that's what you're going to get right there. Somewhere between 30 and 35. These are for the old school Gone Bananas. These new ones, definitely a much more stiff rim and foam. The foam is just a different material. You'll know what I'm talking about when you see it. Anyway, just wanted to show you guys that. Great new rims from KilowattRC. I believe that he is the exclusive retailer for those. Just want to say thanks, Jason. They look awesome. I can't wait to run them. As soon as it starts to dry up outside, gonna mount these. Last thing, these already have the 18mm bore hole diameter drilled out of them, so you don't need to do that yourself or wait 3 weeks for it to get done. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Thanks, guys.